So what are we going to study? Word meaning. Yes, word meanings. We are going to study word meanings, new words, new meanings and new sentences. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, take out your notebook, textbook, wear your headphones and get ready for today's class. So my dear students, let's begin the class, and there are total 9 words for today's class. So let's just quickly see what all those words are, and there is follows: curiosity, daily, dangerous, defeat, delicious, deposit, difficult and discovery. So these are the 9 words which we are going to study today. So let's begin without wasting the time. So the first word, curiosity. Curiosity, desire to know. Desire to know, जानने की इच्छा होती है ना किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, that we call it as curiosity. When you have the desire to know about anything, you are very curious. That term is curiosity. So curiosity meaning desire to know. And the sentence I have made, kids have the curiosity to know about everything. Kids have the curiosity to know about everything. You have usually seen, no, बच्चे जो होते हैं, they what they do, हर चीज़ के बारे में पूछते हैं, ये ऐसा क्यों है, ये वैसा क्यों है, why is this like this, why we do this, why are we doing this. They always have a question in them. So that's why I made this sentence. Kids have the curiosity to know about everything. They want to know everything, right? Now, coming to the next word, that is daily. Daily, a very common word which you have heard before also. So daily means every day. Har din, every day. That is another term for that is daily. And yeah, a simple sentence is one should bath daily. One should bath daily. रोज नहाना चाहिए. We should bath every day, right? So that's why I made the sentence one should bath daily. Now coming to the third word for today's class, and that is dangerous. Dangerous meaning harmful. कोई चीज़ खतरनाक होती है ना, harmful होती है, so we call it as dangerous. So dangerous meaning harmful. And the sentence I have made here is, it is dangerous to touch the naked wire. It is dangerous to touch the naked wire. खुली हुई तार को छूना dangerous है. Okay, so it is dangerous to touch the naked wire. So these were the 3 words. Now coming to the fourth word for today's class, that is deaf. Deaf meaning not able to hear. Deaf meaning not able to hear. सुनाई में जिनको नहीं आता है, those are not able to hear, not able to hear, they are known as deaf. जो सुन नहीं सकते हम उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? Deaf. Okay. So the sentence I have given here is, Helen Keller was deaf and dumb. Helen Keller was deaf and dumb. Okay. Now come to the next word, that is defeat, to conquer over. To conquer over. Defeat meaning to conquer over. So what does this mean? To conquer over means हम किसी को हरा देते हैं ना. To conquer over, या किसी से जीत जाते हैं. किसी से जीत जाना या किसी को हरा देने को हम क्या कहते हैं? Defeat. And the sentence I have given here is, our party defeated the opponents in the election. Our party defeated the opponents in the election. Means our party defeated the opponents. जो opposite, जो हमारे opponents जो थे, opposition party को उन्होंने हरा दिया या उनसे जीत गए. So our party defeated the opponents in election. उनको हरा दिया. Now coming to the next word, that is delicious. Yeah, delicious meaning tasty. Anything which is tasty we call it as delicious. So a sentence for this: my mother cooks delicious food. My mother cooks delicious food. Now the next word, that is deposit. Deposit meaning stored for safe keeping. Stored for safe keeping. सुरक्षित रखने के लिए, अगर कहीं पे किसी चीज को इकट्ठा किया जाए, स्टोर किया जाए, for keeping it safe, when anything is stored at one place, we call it as deposit. And the sentence I have given, Papa deposits his money in the bank. Papa deposits money in his bank. Why Papa deposits money? Why we are saying deposits money? Because he is storing the money at a safe place. Okay. Now the next word, that is difficult. Difficult meaning hard. So when anything is hard, we say it as difficult. कोई भी चीज मुश्किल होती है तो हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? Difficult. So difficult meaning hard. And the sentence is, it becomes difficult to drive during rain. It becomes difficult to drive during rain. बरसात के समय मुश्किल हो जाता है गाड़ी चलाना, right? So that's why I'm saying it becomes difficult to drive during brain. And the last word for today's class, that is discovery. Discovery meaning person or thing discovered. Person or थिंग डिस्कवर्ड. कोई भी पर्सन या कोई नया चीज की जब डिस्कवरी होती है, खोज होती है, इट्स डिस्कवर्ड, दैट टाइम वी कॉल इट एज अ डिस्कवरी. ओके, कोई नया चीज जब मिलता है वी कॉल इट एज discovery. And the sentence, I have a very simple sentence I have made. This is an amazing discovery. So whatever discovery it is amazing. So that's why the sentence is, this is an amazing discovery. So my dear students, with this we completed 8 words, 9 words of our today's class. So quickly let's recall them. And they are curiosity, meaning desire to know. Then comes daily, meaning every day. Third was dangerous, meaning harmful. Then comes deaf, not able to hear. Then comes defeat, to conquer over. Delicious, meaning tasty. Deposit, stored for safekeeping. Difficult, meaning hard. And discovery, person or thing discovered. Okay students? So students, I hope you completely understood the words with their meanings and also their sentences. So don't forget to make your own sentences using the words. जो गैप मैं उसमें छोड़ रही हूँ फॉर्मेट में, उसमें आपको खुद से सेंटेंसेस बना के लिखने हैं. मेरा सेंटेंस दोबारा लिख के कॉपी नहीं करना है वहाँ पे, है ना. What you have to do, उस वर्ड को यूज करके you have to make your own sentence. Then only you will learn how to make sentences and how to use the words in sentences. Okay my dear students, I hope you will complete this task of yours, and in English teacher will be back again in the next class with some new words and their meanings and sentences. Till then my dear students, take care.